Now back out here live, the goal is to get the runway back open late Sunday, with about 100 flights a day canceled because of this runway closure. The reopening can't come soon enough. Live here at SFO, Claudine Wong, KTVU, Channel 2 News.
All right. Thank you, Claudine. We have new information out this noontime concerning one of the teenagers who died in that crash landing. San Francisco police are now confirming 16-year-old Ye Mong Yuan was hit by a fire truck. Police say she was on the ground and covered in the foam crews had sprayed to douse the fire aboard the plane. The coroner is still trying to determine the cause of death and whether she was already dead when the truck hit her. We have new information now also on the plane crash. KTVU has just learned the names of the 4 pilots who were on board the flight. They are Captain Sum Ting Wong, Wee Tu Lo, Ho Lee Fook, and Bang Ding Ao. The NTSB has confirmed these are the names of the pilots on board Flight 214 when it crashed. We are working to determine exactly what roles each of them played during the landing on Saturday. Investigators will be using a lot of high-tech tools to figure out what happened in the final moments of Asiana Flight 214. This names of pilots involved in the Asiana Airlines crash. These names were not accurate, despite an NTSB official in Washington confirming them late this morning. We apologize for this error.